Awaken the Inner Movement with Neville Goddard. Hey, Scott Haug here, and today we're going to continue our study of the power of awareness with Neville Goddard. We're going to be stepping into, that's the first book. Second book is Awakened Imagination. We're going to be stepping into Awakened Imagination, the chapter called Highways of the Inner World on page 149 here. It's going to be a quick video here giving you one idea that's going to change everything for you today. Ideas only act if they are felt. Your intentions, your desires, your affirmations, your gratitude, all of this, they only act if it's felt. Your affirmation, when you're just saying it out loud, not going to do anything if you don't feel it. Your gratitude, writing it down, if you don't feel it, not going to do anything for you. Ideas only act if they are felt, if they awaken inner movement. Inner movement, inner imagination, inner feeling, inner change in expectation, inner shift in what's going on energetically. Inner movement is conditioned by self-motivation, outer movement by compulsion. So the inner movement is aligning with your purpose, aligning with the movement of motivating ideas, seeing yourself in a higher world, seeing yourself in a more empowered world. Okay? Outer movement by compulsion, meaning whatever's going on inside is going to actually impel you to take action behavior on the outside. Feeling great today, you're going to take great actions. Feeling down and out, you're going to have down and out actions. Okay, so it's really mattering on where you are internally, allowing yourself to move forward. One more time. Ideas only act if they are felt, if they awaken inner movement. Inner movement is conditioned by self-motivation, outer movement by compulsion. Really, really important here. Here's a bonus. Inner action orders all things according to the nature of itself. Okay, so anything you start to visualize, you start to order in your mind, it's going to start attracting in those forces, those energies, those similar type thoughts and feelings, allowing yourself to be able to express whatever it is that you desire and intend out on the physical plane. Really, really good. Try it out. See for yourself. Start visualizing in a different way. Start feeling your gratitude. Start feeling your affirmation. Start feeling your visualization. Start getting into that realm. And I would highly suggest you take one of the videos on this Neville Goddard study and listen to it over and over and over and over, like 100 times today. And then every day for the next 30 days, because it's going to increase your belief, it's going to increase your faith. You're going to remember about this manifestation material throughout the day. Your doubts aren't going to enter as much. You're going to really be in that zone and align. Try it out. This will work big time for you.